Don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want. I need somebody who can love me and not run. No, I'm not crazy, but I hope you see my words. Since only you know that I know I put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I do no words.
Ah! Aso ko po nakikisayaw. Shh, no!
If you stay for hand, let me hold your hand. I can feel this places in your heart, no one is scared.
Shake this out.